Hello friend, welcome to episode number 10 of our November pumpkin party. This ultimate pumpkin issue that we are just working right through. And today I'm going to show you how to make a healthy, low sugar, higher protein brownie. And it is called a chickpea pumpkin chocolate brownie. You are going to be shocked at how little time it takes to prepare this brownie recipe and how amazing it is. So I'm your host, Lauren Mullinex. Let's get cooking. All right, this recipe is so easy. What we're basically going to do is we're going to take all our ingredients, throw it into a blender, blend it smooth, mix in some chocolate chips, pour it in a pan, and bake. How simple does that sound? Really simple. So let's get started. We're going to start with 1.5 cups of chickpeas, or garbanzo beans. So I'm gonna put them down in there. Awesome. Boom. 1/2 cup of pumpkin puree. I've got 1/4 cup here, so I am using 2 of these. And then we're gonna use 2 eggs. Crack them eggs, girl, crack them. There we go. 1 down, second to go. Whoop, whoop. We're gonna take 1/2 scoop of the vanilla Get Lean protein powder by Glamour Body Fitness. That premium protein for women. Yep. And then 1/3 cup of coconut sugar. So, got my 1/3 cup in here. Ooh, spread it all around. 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, 1 tablespoon of pumpkin pie spice, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 cup of almond butter. Get on down in there. 1/3 cup of rolled oats. Oh, there you have it. Now we just got to put it on the blender and blend. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Grab your lid. Let's pop this baby on there. Pop that sucker on there. All right. Put it on, turn it on, and blend, baby. Alright, let's take that off. It's been long enough. It looks nice and creamy. We're going to take this out because we're going to fold in some chocolate chips before we pour it into the pan. Ooh, let's get our bake on. 20 minutes and we get to try these delightful treats. In the oven we go. I just pulled this out of the oven and it looks delicious. It smells so good. Let me get you over here so you can actually see it. Now that these are finished, we're going to cut these into pieces and then we're going to have a bite. See what they taste like. All right, so another amazing recipe down. Before you go, don't forget to go ahead and get your free copy of the Pumpkin Protein Cookbook. Go to glamourbodyfitness.com/pumpkin cookbook. From there, all you have to do is just enter in your email address and I will send it to you as fast as I can. It's going to include all 30 recipes that we are doing over the course of November. Also, if you're interested in getting the Glamour Body Fitness Get Lean protein that we're using in the recipes, you can go to glamourbodyfitness.com/protein where you can order your own personal bag of vanilla Get Lean. Now in the Pumpkin Protein Cookbook, I'm just using vanilla in all of the recipes. but we also have chocolate available. So if you want to order an extra bag, you can do that and get yourself some chocolate too. So that link again is glamourbodyfitness.com/protein.